So let's get straight into it. Now, when a delivery person or someone asks you to send your map location or some other information through WhatsApp, you have to save their number first and then find that saved number on your WhatsApp, and only then you'll be able to send them a message. But with this trick, you can skip all these steps and send them directly a message on WhatsApp. How? By just copying their number and pasting onto a dead chat. So after pasting their number on a chat, tapping on the number will show you these options with which you can directly send a message or also call them without even saving their number. Cool trick, right? Hey guys, how's it going? I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and in this video I'm going to share you some of the amazing hidden WhatsApp tricks that you guys don't know. And by the way, just try this trick of turning a red color subscribe button to gray. It's very simple. Subscribe to our channel and also like this video because it will help reach more and more people. So now let's get started. On a busy day, you might get a lot of messages on WhatsApp from which you may tend to miss some chats. In order to find those chats which you have missed, it's very simple. Go to your WhatsApp and tap on the search icon where there'll be a lot of options. Just tap on the unread, which will show you all the messages that you have not read or that you have missed. With this trick, you can chat with the person whose message you've actually missed on that particular day. Usually when you get a message on WhatsApp, you get a very common notification sound. But now you can set custom notification sound for each and every person on WhatsApp. How to do that? It's very simple. Tap on the person for whom you want to set a custom notification sound and tap on the top portion of the message. Scroll down until you find notification sound or custom notifications. Tapping on that will enable you to set a custom notification sound. So after setting that, whenever that particular person sends you a text, you will get a customized notification sound with which you can understand, okay, that person has actually texted us, instead of one common sound that is for everyone. Sometimes the biggest reason of a storage being occupied might be WhatsApp data, and uninstalling WhatsApp is not even a solution to think. Instead, if you follow this trick, you can delete all the unwanted WhatsApp media by using WhatsApp itself. How? Well, by going into the WhatsApp settings and tapping on storage and data. This will show you the unwanted media files that is occupying your storage unnecessarily. You can delete all the unwanted and repeated media files that is consuming your storage unnecessarily. By deleting this, you won't be deleting anything from your gallery. Instead, you will be deleting all the data that is occupying through your chats. This is a very simple trick by which you can save a lot of storage data by deleting unwanted and unnecessary WhatsApp files. Have you ever scrolled on an old chat to find a detail, whether it's a login detail or a phone number that person might have sent way long back? I've done that so many times. Instead, when that person sends you a message that is very important for you for your regular use, tap and hold on to that message and tap on the menu, which will show an option called as star the message. By doing that, this message will be starred, and then you can access that particular message whenever you need by going on to the menu on the WhatsApp home screen and tapping on starred messages, which will show you all the starred messages which you can use later whenever you need. I usually use the star message feature to access the login detail of my Netflix account or the Prime Video account which my brother has shared to me. These are some of the amazing hidden tricks on WhatsApp that you might never have used. Like this video if you really enjoyed, share this video with all of your friends so that it's very useful for your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to upload better content for you guys. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.